in the United States. Family. And I found out about that spiritual war that he declared at my birthday party one year. We were walking down the road, and one of my friends started crying and begged me not to kill him. And I asked him, why would I kill you? That doesn't make any sense. And he said, because you worship the devil. And this man, Reverend Rambo, said that my mother is more evil than 100 lesbians. And this song is dedicated to him and rural America.
That's delicious.
Every sacred song has mending tune. All about Carol, like a fool. We will locate the temple, Jericho. I ran the system, so that we can learn nothing.
Follow that.
While you're marching up the road you cross, only candlelight blue, never will need to be put out as if it ever passing in prayer. We're not clear on our feet. In every sacred song, in old all the fucking morning practice was the plan of the day, the smell of his cake, his hat off, his lunch so again, him and now was moving in the Reverend Rambo, you argued our lives with an old Atlantean saint. From your pedestal rained the southern force, wrapped up in dynamite and extremist shore. Every sacred eye has been painted onto life. And you wash every line with washing gold. You're by the breath